Hello, girls. Congratulations, that they are delightful.
Tell me, that fellow at the back is not like the rest.
Oh, I wish the others wouldn't pick on me so, but turn already gets soldier.
Now, I understand my research learned from the farmhouse being fed ready to the water.
Sarah, you have to try this. It's much better than the usual stuff. If the crabs are nice, come children, you have to try this.
Honk!
Oh, I think you should do something about Honk.
Oh, look!
What? Presents! Come on, Ida, let's go and eat some croissants. Too big for you, each already.
Hey, I'm hungry too. Why are you picking on me? Honk! Honk! If they knew just how dearly I would love to honk, but it's true. You see, I'm just different. I'm just different from the rest. And who can blame them wanting me to find another nest? But different isn't naughty, different isn't bad. So why should being different make me sad? I'm just different, but I have a sense of pride. My nose may well be funny, but I hurt the same inside. Different isn't hateful, different could be swell. Different is just, well, different.
Hello, Ducky.
Who are you?
I'm your friend.
I have no friends. Everyone hates me because I'm ugly.
Ugly and too cruel. I think you look delicious.
What did you say?
I mean the bread they were eating.
Yes,